Hi everybody, look at this cuteness. I love a gnome. If you watch my reviews, you know. And this one is the sweetest. Look at the little sentiment. Give this to a friend. It has so many cute details. So you get these beautiful little flowers, the little butterflies, of course, the cute little gnome face, cute little gnome hat, and then you get the little like fairy wings on the gnome. And I think they look like hearts, which makes it extra cute. And then the boots and the cute little rose, such gorgeous details. So let's put this around the house and see what it looks like. Okay, I'm loving this inspirational gnome. It does really make such a cute gift, really for anyone, for encouragement, a little thinking of you, or even a birthday. The quote is so cute. Sometimes you forget that you're awesome, so this is your reminder. This really is just like a little uplifting reminder that you are loved. You can really use this anywhere in your home just to remind you how much love you have in your life. It's really just the cutest little piece of decor for anywhere. And it is super durable with all those cute little hand painted details. So this is really even great for kids who may want to like move it around their room as they are redecorating. It's nice and sturdy, which is great, and has a really nice stable base. This is so cute, so thoughtful. I'm really loving it. You're definitely going to want to check this one out. Links are below.